Construction accident cases are in many ways like any work injury, except the injuries tend to be larger and there tend to be more legal issues. At their core, they're a workers' comp or an on-the-job injury. So an employee, if it's not already seen or known, needs to report the accident. But the difference between a traditional, let's say, workers' comp accident where you got hurt because you fell or something like that, construction accidents bring into play a lot of other areas of law and issues. So there's often claims that could be made against products that injured you, against the manufacturer of certain systems. If you're on a job site, there may be claims against other companies who are working on the job site. While you can't sue your own employer, many times construction accidents have all of those issues. So you need to be thinking about that, and that's what, an experienced lawyer does. We consider, okay, the basic accident happened. Let's first get our client his or her care and make sure that they're getting the wage losses and everything they need. But from there, you need to analyze what caused or what may have been the causes of the accident, who is or may have been at fault, and then you often need to do a lot of investigation to determine who those entities are, what their real corporate names are, etc. And typically they end up in litigation with a lawsuit filed because the injuries are particularly serious. So in many ways, it's no different than if you got hurt because you tripped in your office, but you have the added component of who may be at fault, who is out there to be able to provide compensation for your pain and suffering, all of the different changes, payment for your wage losses, those that aren't paid by workers' comp, because workers' comp doesn't pay at all, payment for future wage losses, loss of earning capacity, and all of those other things. And of course, your pain and suffering. Everything that happened to you, and if you're married, that impacts your spouse from the time of the accident until the present.